what it is. See, got that Chick-fil-A. She got that Cane's. Got that juice off.
What?
Go ahead, girl. I've been seeing this on TikTok. I'm gonna try it.
I don't be on TikTok for real.
What you be on? BLK?
Your mother cook chicken, baby?
My grandma, both of my grandmas did. My mom, she did it a few times. She don't really like them.
Oh, okay.
Why you kicking me? You kicking me.
I can't keep you.
Yeah.
You just want to take.
I don't want to touch you. I want to touch
You
you.
want to touch me? Let's say that.
You the one who kicked me.
Who I kicked you with?
My feet.
Yeah.
What?
It ain't gonna hurt you.
It might.
I can't open this shit.
Struggling?
I got long nails and shit. This shit look good.
If you like it, I love it.
They gave you cold stuff anyway.
I know.
I don't even know if this is good.
The Polynesian sauce?
Yeah,
That's my favorite. That and the, why would you do it like this? Don't do that. You don't like it?
That's alright. I don't even mind something like this.
I be getting the big bottles from Walmart. I put that shit on anything.
For real? You should be good.
I hope you enjoy it.
Okay, this is my second time having Chick-fil-A though.
I used to get so sick and tired of it.
Yeah. I used to eat a lot.
There's some of my mom and my sister we want to eat, and I used to eat it like every day after school.
For real? I know. I eat so juicy. I'm full of that Chick-fil-A.
Oh yeah.
I'll be down there eating good.
Sometimes.
I can't believe over there. I can't believe I don't do that down now.
They be making me so like when I first moved out there and I got settled or whatever. I had came home. I had got off late that day. I was mad. I had to stay after because one of the ladies was coming to get her dogs and she was out of town and she was gonna be late. And my boss, she was like, just wait with the dog or whatever. It's the last dog. We know her. She is regular. I'm like, bro, fuck, I want to go home. She wound up, she came and got the dog and stuff. My roommate, she came and she got me. I went home, I got in the shower, I laid in my bed, I went to order some food. It was like,
Yeah.
I was mad.
Where you from, young lady?
I'm from Ravel.
Oh, Raven. Okay.
You say Raven like a white girl.
How I say Ravel like a white girl? I just enunciate.
So,
Would you rather me slur all my words together?
I just say Raven.
Good. How am I supposed to say it? I'm from Ravel. How would you say Raven?
Raven.
Ew, I hate people say that. It's Raven.
I get one at all, cause your food is cold.
Great job.
You eating it like you scared of it.
Because I had she made some cupcakes. So I had some of them before I came out here.
I'm good.
Well, I'm glad you enjoy it. These are bad. You gonna cut off all your little circulation. You already small.
Just shut up. Just cause you juicy, it don't mean everybody can be juicy like you. I'm a perfect size for my eyes. I can't be too big, it'll look funny.
So I look funny.
Yeah, you right. You right. You weren't lying. You said you was, you know.
I told y'all I was on them.
I was like, damn.
I don't know how you thought I was lying. We're talking about some 180.
Yeah,
I like your hands. Let your hands down, Louis.
Me?